Dear ladies and gentlemen, this video guide will provide you with instructions to get rid of install Siloid.com pop-up windows. You need to be very careful whenever such pop-ups come up because their mission is to force you into downloading and installing unwanted browser extension, and the extension will be called Siloid Chrome extension. Unfortunately, this particular extension is able to hijack your default homepage and search engine settings. This is done without your actual intention, so when you click on the download button there will be a message by this extension official page. It is advertised that it's the best way to search. However, it also changes your Chrome's default search. Instead of Google search, it gives some optimized search results powered by Yahoo. Unless you want such changes to occur, do not install this extension. But if it was added to your Chrome browser, there is a way to fix your browser manually. I'm going to explain how to do that. So first of all, go to the browser menu, click on More Tools and Extensions. Now you may find this Siloid extension, disable it and then remove it. After this has been done, the problem should no longer reoccur. However, there is a risk of your computer to be infected by some adware type program. So we recommend that you perform additional scanning of your Mac computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which you may get on the official website combocleaner.com. Once the program is downloaded and installed, start it directly through the Launchpad. Here is how it looks like. It's a premium version in my case, but in your case, after you download it initially, it will be in the trial mode. The trial mode has got some free features to use, for instance, Disk Cleaner, Big Files, or Duplicates Finder. The antivirus is the component of the premium license only. When you click on Start Combo Scan button, the program will perform free scanning of your Mac. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. As you see, the antivirus section reveals 19 threads found during the scanning. So you may go to this antivirus part and click on Review Results link. This will automatically reveal all threads found during the scanning, and you will be able to find the information about where exactly these threads are located. So afterwards, you may go to the Finder, locate each specific thread, open its location, and remove each thread one at a time. As we said, Combo Cleaner Trial works as a free scanner. It gives a detailed, full report about the location of threads, their quantity, and you may remove these threads manually by going to the specific thread location or automatically, however, with the premium license of the program only.